Welcome to a new video on my Arduino Mega2560 connected to a breadboard with electronics and fischertechnik mechatronics. In the past episodes, things tend to work less and less well, to the point that when I activate the board, things run and stop, and this is no exception. And the reason why is unclear, except for this one. Which I do not know. Oh wait, this is for the motor. So I have to reconnect this one. Apart from that, the objective is that this one needs to touch the switch with this rod here, and upon touching the switch this one stops, except that this one isn't even running. Same with this one. This one should be constantly running. Let me hook it up. I use motors for different projects. And then upon hitting this switch, this one should stop for a moment. But as you can see, none of that is happening right now. So by measuring signals and fixing some wiring, I hope to find out how to fix it. I already fixed this one. Programmatically I had to fix it anyway, because that wasn't working at all anymore. This is a problematic wire. It connects and disconnects everything from the power. And yes, I agree, it should have a double one. Well, this is a ground wire connected here to ground, and this is one here connected, so that is alright. And here I have everything connected here, and here I have everything connected to here, so that is all okay. What else? Well, except that nothing is running. I have on the oscilloscope some signals, but that doesn't mean anything if it doesn't run. So far this was running, and so far this wasn't. So now I'm back to why doesn't anything run. Enough talking. Let's get to the code and see why anything is happening. That's the question. Alright, so first of all, there's a wire loose. Where should it be fixed? Let's go to the motor. Motor with chain. And it is the signal wire. So the motor, signal, no. Oh wait, this is the signal. Not this one, this is the motor. And this is the signal switch, which is touched by the motor. So I need to connect this to 12. And it's better when I show you. So connecting this to 12, and then I found out that another wire is not connected anymore, which is a wire to a red LED, So oh right, and this can go because I'm not using the SPI anymore, neither am I using I2C anymore, but that's different. First of all, where is that wire going? As said, one red LED accompanied by only one resistor. That could be 10, and it looks like it is 10 because 10 is right now, 10 is in use. Well, how about 11? 11 as well. 11 can be it. So let's just connect it, and then so right now all these wires are connected again. Question is, why doesn't anything work right now? Here is an LED that burns, so that's good. This one doesn't burn, this one isn't, this one isn't, and this one isn't. That is not a good point to start with. And there's something else I need to do. Okay, I need to reconnect. Now I can change this to the Arduino Mega2560 and have the port. Yes, that's alright. So now I can also put the serial monitor on. Everything is running. Well, in theory. Oscilloscope. And let's grab a screwdriver. And then the blue line goes. Oh, that's not nice. See, and this is crazy. A pot meter is not 1 or 0. So whatever this is, and this was happening last time as well. See, this should be happening. A fluent up and down of the line. Now looking at this pot meter, no problem. And there goes one motor. So why is this one not doing anything? Looking at the pot meter, seemingly nothing is wrong. So let me just put it back into its place. And that is a lot better. Although it doesn't run anyway. Now what I should do as well, putting the probes which I have now put on the signals for these motors, putting them on the signals that come from here. So now I have to be careful not to ruin any wire. That is one. Hopefully it's stable enough. This one as well. And where to put this one? Also to the wire. And that goes where? Well, this one should go right here. So if I take some kind of wire, or pin, or I can just put it like this, also right here. Oops. And measuring by hand, nothing is coming. I have not one positive signal. Now looking at the other one, right there, this one is nicely working. Plus and minus, very good. It's a purple one, right here. But does it give a signal? I don't see any. Okay, so what I can do is making the signal a bit stronger. Instead of 5 volts, the units I make are now 2 volts. And the same goes for the other one, 2 volts. Do I now see a signal? Or do I first have to wire anything? I think that may be a good solution. Good idea anyway. First, making sure that this crocodile beak is on ground, attached to ground, and then not this wire, yes it is this wire, okay, and then probably the same trick here, attaching to ground. Oh, look at that. Now that is a clear signal. And what about here? Oh, this is a clear signal as well. So it was a matter of connecting to ground. One thing solved. Now, for the motor to run, either one. Oh, and another motor to run, because this motor still doesn't run. Which one to take? Alright, then step by step. I have this signal here on the oscilloscope, which is not a very high voltage. It is maybe 1 volt, which is not big, which is not much. But I forgot something else. if I go here, this wire, very large wire, very long wire, goes here. Pin 9 is input. There wasn't any input for pin 9 here in the code. So I have to add a digital in pin 9, which is then a digital input from motor with chain. Then I have to read it and put the output that I know it is working. And my suspicion is that it won't even go 1, even though it is either 1 or 0. So right now I am putting it here. So copy, paste, and then I say okay, input from let's say input digital in pin 9 is in pin 9. Oh, read in pin 9, of course. So digital read, and this might give a clue why things don't work, or not, or do. So yeah, right. And now, oh, and this is once again timing. This once again timing. Most of the time it's saying 0. So when I press it, and I have to keep pressing it, and this is going to be tough. How do I keep pressing it without that rod hitting my finger? This is quite hard, but the point is, it's not being detected. So that is a problem. And another thing is that this is a nice signal. Well, nice, it is a signal anyway. But it's way too low voltage to be detected. So what is the difference if I make it an analog one? Okay. Analog in pin, and then I only have to change this one as into analog, and this one analog. And that this is now digital, it doesn't matter, I just have to read it. So let's do it and read. It now says 355. So that's a value, a true value. But what is the value if I press it? Let's say it's 345, 348. I release it. And it's no difference, hardly any difference. And that means that it becomes very hard to make a difference. But why is it hard? Because, and that's a big question, the switch is being dealt with let's take this switch. So this is plus. Okay, let's take a full image. So this one is the plus and this one is the minus. The plus is 5 volts. So you would expect any signal to be at least 5 volts. So how come it is not 5 volts? Okay, let me probe it just like this. Okay, now this 5 volts. Let me put it back to 5 volts. Now this one is 5 volts again. Probing. 5 volts. 0. Wait. This is a signal. Okay, I have to rewire. So, wait a moment. This one is going here, and this one is going right. Okay, some cooperation would be appreciated. Okay. So now measuring and the new. Yep, that's a signal. So now changing back to digital. And here digital. The point is, of course, timing. Timing is crucial. wrong. Oh right, digital in. Now I just have to I can do that, of course. If the pin is hit, pause for a moment. So if this is 1, then one of the motors let's say motor 2 output motor 2 becomes 0. Analog right output pin 4 probably. Becomes 0, and then a delay of 1 second. Let's try that. Then if that works, I hope. Okay. Is it motor 6 then? It doesn't make a dent, but I have to wrap up. But I'm getting very close now to what I need. So, conclusion for now is, after fixing some wiring and determining how things are indeed wired, including a fix on this potmeter, this was rewired, had to be rewired. This one most likely as well. Haven't done it yet, comes next time. So the other thing is that this will be a tough cookie, because reading the output and it actually being hit is a very slim chance. So I have to find something on it. I can increase it by putting more of those axles into the wheel. I can put 2 more, and I can put here 2 more as well. Then the chance is well, increasing. Anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion. I appreciate them. You can also follow me on Twitter. Please retweet, like and leave a comment. You can also follow me on Instagram. Please like and leave a comment. You can support my blog by making a small donation. via PayPal or Wyatt. You can also choose to become a patron and have your name mentioned as a supporter. And you can find more information under this video. The website, URL of my website, as well as the tags of my Instagram and Twitter. Thanks for watching. To be continued. Bye bye.